Hey everybody. So this is my first ever YouTube video. So yay for me. And I've decided to make a YouTube video about snacks. And I chose this because I like snacks and I like different snacks from different areas. I like trying new things. And I decided to subscribe to Snack Crate and Yum Universal because, ads get you, love commercial, love ads. So, no subliminal messages necessary for me because I watch them all and depending on my mood, I'm pretty much susceptible to a lot of them. So anyway, I finally got a Snack Crate box. So I got my Snack Crate box here in the mail today. And I'm excited because my first subscription for Snack Crate is from the UK, which is pretty awesome because the UK is one of my favorite countries, though I've never been. I would like to get there one day. So, and oops. And so I've decided to just try these different snacks from different places. I have had the pleasure of traveling to a couple of different countries. UK has not been one of them, so I'm really interested in trying their snacks and just seeing what the different tastes and textures are and just overall what it is. So the first thing that came in my snack box, or one of the things that came in my snack box, are Skips, and they are light and melty prawn cocktails. I have no idea what that is because again, never had it. I feel like they could be say chips. I don't know. Maybe they're shaped like. Um, let's see. If I go by the feeling up the bag. Oh, look, there's a picture on the back, so I don't have to guess too much. Looks like a flower, though. Looks kind of cool. The shape looks like a flower. So they're prawn cocktail flavor. So I'm looking forward to trying that. If I'm not mistaken, prawns are similar to shrimp, and I like shrimp, so shrimp chips or whatever. And then next we have Walker's roast chicken flavored potato chips. And I know in the UK they're called crisp. Um, so I know Walkers are similar to Lay's, so I'm looking forward to trying those. And see, we have Big Hoops. So, and this is a barbecue beef flavor. And according to the packaging, if you're from the US, they look like they're shaped kind of like Funyuns, but a lot wider, so maybe not really like Funyuns. And then we have Frazzles, which are crispy bacon. I might save this one for my daughter because she loves bacon. And then I've got Cadbury Dairy Milk Buttons. So um, it is hot here. I might have to put these in the fridge because, this was in the mailbox all day. So I might have to put these in the fridge because they feel a little squishy. So I'm thinking I might have to wait to try these. So this might be a two-parter. Next, I have Barrett's Fruit Salad Softies. I'm going to guess they're gummy type candies, maybe like Mambos, if anybody knows what a Mambo is. What else we have in here? Maynard's, what is this? Fuzzy Peach. So these feel like gummies, the peach gummy rings. And then we have Sherbet Fountain. Not really sure what this is. I'm not really big on candy. I like chips. I like chocolate. Not big on like a lot of candy. There's some candy in here, but I'm always willing to give it a try. And if I don't particularly care for it, I give it to my kids because kids like candy. And let's see. So more candy. Juicy Chews. It remind me of Mary Jane's, which if you're old like me, you know what a Mary Jane is, which is like a penny candy. Well, not Mary Jane's, penny candy. I was thinking about a totally different candy. And then these are fruit pastelles. Pastelles. Um, so sorry if that was pronounced poorly. I've got some Smarties. I believe I've had Smarties before. So got some Smarties. And last but not least, I've got raspberry flavored jamming Dodgers. So the shortbread cookie with raspberry jam in the center. So since this is the last thing I've picked up, this is the first thing I'm gonna try. So bear with me 1 second. I know the shortbread. I got mostly shortbread. Kind of reminds me of a Lorna Doone. Love Lorna Doones. So if you've ever had a Lorna Doone, that's kind of the taste texture I'm getting from this. Not bad. Making a mess. Oh, now I'm going to try the Juicy Chew. And I'm trying to see Juicy Chew. I was trying to see which flavor this is, but my eyes are getting old. So, oh look, no dye. That's pretty awesome. Oh my goodness. I like this a lot. I can't think of which candy this reminds me of. Which US candy. It's escaping me right now. I used to eat them all the time. But this is really good. So, I'm going to try the Smarties now. And the reason I chose to do both Snack Crate and Yum Universal because I wanted to see the difference if I would get different snacks from different manufacturers. And just, oh, I've had these before. And just the different types of products I would get and just, try again, try something new, try something fun. So I pulled out a couple of Smarties. I've never had a Smartie before because I was not expecting there to be chocolate on the inside. I just thought it was going to be sugar. Okay. Alrighty. Alright. Now on to the Fuzzy Peach. So it looks like most of these are from the Maynard Company. Yep. So tastes like a peach ring. So definitely won't share those with the kids because I like those. Okay. Fruit salad softies. So this says experience the tongue-twisting world of Barrett. For over 150 years, we've been creating fun, wonderful, and excitement. So go on, discover your favorite, and make sweet memories. Okay. So I like Harry Potter. And I'm not saying that just because I'm eating the UK package, but actually I kind of am because it's actually into it. And I like Harry Potter, and this is reminding me of the description of the Tongue toffee, even though it's not toffee. But this reminds me of the description. No, the nosebleed nuggets. That's what it reminds me of. The description they have of the nosebleed nuggets, where you bite one end and your nose bleeds, and then you bite the other end and it stops bleed. That they describe. Oops, in the in the in the book. It's different. I don't really have anything to compare it to because I don't. It's not bad. Not bad at all. So now I'm gonna move on to the fruit pastils. Pasteles. No, it's not a pastel. I don't know how to pronounce that last word. And I'm struggling with opening the wrapper. Okay. So it looks like it's got sugar coated. Okay. So it feels hard when you first put it in your mouth. But I was reading the wrapper and it says can you resist the chew? So it's a soft candy, which again it feels hard when you touch it, so I wasn't expecting it. So I guess the challenge is to suck it until it dissolves or you can chew it. So I guess that's the fun challenge of eating that candy. So now I'm going to sherbet fountain. One, I'm not really quite sure what this is. Um, oh, sherbet fountain. Oops. It's upside down. I'm special. So I'm not 100% sure what this is. I was trying to figure it out. That kind of looks like licorice, which I don't like licorice at all. So, um, okay. Okay. I'm special in a lot of ways. So all I had to do is twist off the top. And I'm not even sure. I know I'm making a huge mess. So, oh, so I guess it's like a powdered lollipop, maybe? I don't, I know I'm making a huge mess right now. Oh, I've got most of it. So there's this. And you can't tell, but it's covered in powder. It's soft. Let me pull it apart. Or I'm going to just have to bite it. It's definitely licorice, but covered in a powdered sugar, I guess. It's not bad. Um, it's definitely an odd taste. I know my face is saying something different, but okay, excuse me. That's not a taste for me, but it's okay. Everybody, I don't have to like everything. That's why it's called trying. Okay. My last sweet treat is the Cadbury Dairy Milk Button, but again, because it was sitting in the mailbox and it's hot, I'll have to stick that in the fridge and come back to it at another time. So, these are not expensive. They're either 39 pence or 3 for a pound. So this is the Frazzles Crispy Bacon. Moving on to our salty. So they look like. We got the bacon flavor. And then the crisp um, not sure what it. I'm horrible at descriptions. I'm not really sure what it reminds me of. I usually try to at least say it reminds me of something I've had before. But not bad. Got the bacon taste. It's got a nice little crunch to it. Then it's an acquired aftertaste, but it's not terrible, not hard, not horrible. Oh, I just popped open the bag. Oops. So now I've moved on to the big hoops, and this is barbecue beef. That's what they look like. Now this looks like the dog treat. And I'm not saying these are dog treats by no means, so please, I'm not trying to insult anything, but that's what it, or, better yet, that one, well, I've already stuck my foot in it, so, but that's what it reminded me of, that hard. Okay. It's got a nice crunch to it. The flavoring is not overpowering. It's not bad at all. Not bad. I might want to try that in a different flavor, but that's not bad at all. So I'm now moving on to well, let me clear my palate a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the roast chicken, um, Walker's potato chips. Smell like chicken. It does. And I'm not one for smelling my food. It kind of like annoys me. But it does. It's a definitely that roast chicken flavor. Okay. And last but definitely not least, the Skips prawn cocktail. Well, it's least for this one because this is the last snack. So it's light and it's airy and the shape is quite interesting. I like that. So I've had prawns before, and this is not an overpowering taste. It's kind of sweet, a little salty, but kind of sweet. Not bad, not bad at all. So that is my UK snack crate. Hope this wasn't too boring for you, and you enjoyed my adventure of trying something new, trying new things, trying snacks from the UK. And stay tuned for more. I don't know when I'm going to get my next box, but I'm excited for when the next box comes, whether it's my Snack Crate box or from the other company. But I am looking forward to trying different snacks from different countries. And, leave a comment below and tell me what your favorite snack is and, the different snacks that you like from your country. Thanks for watching.